What do you get in the Java download file? How do they differ from one another, friends? We get two major things along with the Java download file: Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment. You can imagine JDK as a complete toolkit for building a house. It includes all the tools like screwdrivers, hammers, wood, paint and instructions needed for construction. And JRE is like the furnished house that's ready for occupants to use and enjoy. The MEA difference is JRE is part of JDK and the JDK is for developers, providing all the tools for application development, while the JRE is for end users, offering the necessary runtime environment to execute Java applications.
If you found the video valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest uploads and never miss out on new content that can benefit you.